In the heart of our community flows the Brunei River, a lifeline for generations but now facing a pressing threat.
Plastic pollution has become a pervasive problem, with discarded bottles, bags, and debris marring the beauty of our waterways.
We are the River Guardians, Brunei River Cleanup Crew, where we are dedicated to making a positive impact in our community.
As River Guardians, we've recognized a pressing issue in our community, the accumulation of plastic waste in the water villages along the Brunei River.
But we're not just here to talk about the problem, we're here to be part of the solution.
That's why we've come up with an innovative approach to address this issue head-on.
Our project involves the deployment of remote-controlled cleaning robots designed to collect floating solid waste in the Brunei River.
We will navigate these robots in the waterways, systematically removing debris and helping to restore the health of the ecosystem.
Join us in our mission to clean up the water villages along the Brunei River and create a cleaner, healthier environment for all.